Hello friends, let's draw a cute teddy bear using shapes. Come, let's get started. We need a big circle which will be the face of the teddy. Next, let's add two small circles and place them as ears. Let's add one more circle and make the mouth of the teddy. Two black circles represent the eyes. Let's place the eyes. Let's add another black circle as nose. Some final touches and let's add a smile to the teddy. Teddy smile. Well, our teddy is ready. Let's color the teddy with different colors. You can choose your favorite color. I am trying different colors. Hope that was easy. Do try to sketch one by yourself and share with all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.